Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth. Today, we are diving into some fabulous finds that will add that luxurious touch to your home without the hefty price tag. And where are we shopping today? Target, of course. I came across an article by Ali Facenda, who shared some exciting news about Target's decor section. They have an array of luxe marble accents that are shockingly affordable, starting at just $7. Yes, you heard that right, $7. These pieces are perfect for adding a hint of flair and reflecting your personal style in any room. From Hearth and Hand with Magnolia and Threshold, there are so many affordable marble home decor pieces that exude luxury. Whether you are looking to spruce up your kitchen, living room, or even your bathroom, Target has you covered. Imagine butter keepers, bowls, dessert pedestals, picture frames, candle holders, and bookends, all with that chic marble finish. It is enough to make any room feel homey and unique. Let us talk specifics. One of the standout items is the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia Marble Butter Keeper, priced at just $15. This little gem keeps your butter soft and spreadable, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Reviewers cannot stop raving about how it keeps their butter soft and fresh. One shopper even said they cannot believe they lived so many years without it. Another fantastic find is the Threshold marble bookends at $25. These black bookends with white marbling are perfect for any home aesthetic. One person chose this set over pricier options that were $70 a piece. Another customer was delighted by how stylish and solid they are, calling them super stylish. If you are looking to add some cozy vibes to your space, the Threshold designed with Studio McGee marble taper candle holder is an excellent choice at $20. This U-shaped candle holder can hold 2 tapered candles and adds an earthy feel with its mixed brown, black, and beige marble. One person even said it is one of their favorite items in their home. And for those of you in need of additional lighting, the Threshold Faux Marble Mini Table Lamp is a steal at just $7, down from $10. This lamp comes in green and white and includes a 5-foot cord and a linen drum shade. It is perfect for a nightstand or entryway table. Shoppers love how much light it provides despite its small size. One reviewer mentioned that its unique and modern design offers the perfect amount of light with a small footprint. But wait, there is more. Other affordable marble home accents available at Target include the Threshold designed with Studio McGee green marble bowl for $20, the Threshold designed with Studio McGee marble candle tray for $15, and the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia marble-covered dessert pedestal for $40. Each of these pieces adds that touch of luxury to your home without breaking the bank. So if you are looking to elevate your home decor game, head over to Target and check out these fabulous marble accents. They are stylish, affordable, and perfect for any room in your home. Trust me, you will not regret it. Even a cookie-cutter studio apartment can be transformed into a layered, personalized home through some smart DIY tweaks. Interior decorator Barbara Campbell takes cues from the 3 C's when it comes to decorating her 300-square-foot studio apartment, colorful, comfortable, and curated. Giving her tiny bathroom an update was no exception. When Barbara first moved in, her bathroom featured bare white walls and dated dark brown fixtures. To liven the space up, she covered the walls using Quadrille's Puccini wallpaper, which features a stunning pink and white floral pattern. This bold choice immediately brought a sense of vibrancy and personality to the room. Next, Barbara opted to freshen up the fixtures by painting the large bathroom mirror and the vanity's body using Benjamin Moore's black in high gloss, and giving the top of the vanity a top coat of Benjamin Moore's Simply White in high gloss. These changes created a striking contrast with the wallpaper and added a modern touch to the space. Barbara also had a brand new toilet, sink, and hardware from Ferguson NYC installed. She says these new fixtures give it a boost, adding both functionality and style to the bathroom. The sleek new hardware complements the high-gloss finishes, tying the entire look together. Space is often an issue in studio apartments, and Barbara's bathroom was no exception. The shower's original design posed a problem. There was a shower curtain and rod in place, Barbara says. That cut off the space and made it look even smaller than it is, so I installed a glass door to open things up a bit. The glass shower door makes the room feel larger and more open, a crucial improvement in such a small space. With the same square footage, the bathroom now looks much bigger and brighter than before. The transformation is not just in the physical space, but in how it feels, completely personalized and vibrant. Barbara's approach to her bathroom makeover is a perfect example of how to apply the 3 C's, colorful, comfortable, and curated, to even the smallest spaces. By making bold choices and smart updates, she has turned a generic studio apartment bathroom into a standout feature of her home. Rugs are one of the biggest home decor investments you can make, and they do more than just make a room look nice. They also take the brunt of our messes. Whether it is in a high-traffic hallway, the dining room, or the kitchen, a rug can get super messy over time. And while it is totally your prerogative if you want to keep your treasured floor covering daintily displayed in that one sitting room no one ever actually sits in, let us talk about the rugs you really use. Those that take beatings from shoe tracks, spaghetti sauce spills, pet accidents, and everything else. While spot cleaning is the quickest method for tidying up a rug after a spill, there is quite a bit that a washing machine can take care of that a rag and some cleaning solutions cannot. Machine washability is also helpful for bigger messes, seasonal changes, and kids. But what makes a rug washable? Spot cleaners and carpet shampooers aside, we are paying close attention to rugs that can be gathered into a washing machine, possibly even machine dried afterward, and unrolled like new in a matter of hours. While some website listings describe rugs as washable, it is important to understand the materials rugs are made from to know which ones can be washed once a year and which ones can withstand a wash every month. For example, cotton rugs, while soft and natural, can shrink or distort when machine washed on high heat or too often. Polypropylene-based or polyester rugs are designed to withstand moisture, as well as the rigors of a washing machine, but they are often less soft and typically used outdoors. A washable rug combines the durability of an outdoor rug with the attractiveness and comfort of an indoor rug. To make shopping for the right washable rug easy, we went ahead and tested a wide variety of styles and brands so you do not have to. Let us dive into the best washable rugs you can buy right now. First up, the best overall Cozy Chloe washable rug. Cozy launched its first ever washable rug collection in 2023, and it has already made a splash. What started as 3 classic rug designs has since expanded to nearly a dozen in modern, abstract, and trendy styles. The diamond-decked Chloe washable rug is kid and pet-friendly and lightweight enough to fit into the washing machine without much of a struggle. The rug comes with a functional puzzled rug pad that is easy to put together and makes the rug feel sturdy. Next, we have the best budget-friendly option, Magnolia Home by Joanna Gaines, ex-Loloy Sinclair machine washable area rug. This rug features a power-loomed polyester blend that uses over 50% recycled materials. Soft and durable, the rug is suitable for busy areas of the home, such as the living room, entryway, and hallways. The antique-inspired rug showcases intricate motifs and distressing for a worn, lived-in feel. Its style and feel, combined with the low pile and easy washability, make it perfect for high-traffic areas. For those willing to splurge a bit, The best splurge is the Ruggable X Iris Apfel Birds of a Feather rug. Ruggable has made a name for itself in the washable rug game, and for good reason. They are long-lasting and offer a huge variety of unique designs. The Iris Apfel Birds of a Feather rug is lively and colorful, making it a great addition to any room. With Ruggable rugs, you are able to detach the rug cover from the rug pad, which makes laundering so much easier while also preserving the grip of your rug pad. Moving on to the best bedroom rug, Revival Rugs Gambit Washable Rug. This mildew-resistant floor covering is made from 100% recycled polyester and features a stylish checkerboard design available in 5 different colors. It is soft and durable, and Oecotech certified to ensure it is free from harmful chemicals and dyes. Despite feeling like a traditional rug, it is easy to wash and leaves no stains behind. For the kitchen, the best kitchen rug is the Lauren Lease X Rugs USA Natural Taproot Easy Jute Striped Washable Rug. This earth tone jute option checks all the boxes with its easy care requirements and classic stripe print. Its low pile height is perfect for high traffic areas, and because of its striped nature, you never see any dirt. It is available in 4 different sizes and as a runner, making it versatile for any room in your home. Last but not least, the best plush rug is the Rugs USA Avana Checkered Plush Cloud Washable Rug. This rug offers a subtle checkered look and an ultra-soft plush texture. Made of 100% polyester, the high pile shag is designed to make you feel like you are walking on a cloud. Available in a range of sizes and colors, this fluffy rug is designed with both style and comfort in mind. So, there you have it, the best editor-tested washable rugs you can buy right now. Whether you are looking for something budget-friendly, luxurious, or perfect for a specific room, these options have you covered. Happy decorating. Home stager Terry Maynard of Terry Maynard Design is not put off by an occupied real estate listing. That is exactly why realtor Jessica Buckman brought her in to stage this stunning apartment in Brooklyn's historic Park Slope neighborhood. The homeowners were a couple with a young daughter, and the prospect of living in a staged listing with a child seemed intimidating. Living in a veritable show home can feel like tiptoeing around a museum, totally devoid of any personality and ready for a potential buyer to walk through the front door at any moment. Maynard wanted to respect that feeling, even though she knew the seller's top priority was, of course, finding a buyer. I know it is difficult to live in a staged property, especially with children, so I try to be sensitive to that when I decide what changes to make, Maynard says. Throughout the apartment, Maynard incorporated and edited the seller's own furniture. She says she evaluates whether the furniture feels relevant stylistically and whether it will help make the rooms feel as large as possible, which is always the goal when staging. If it meets both of those criteria, then she can skip bringing in staging furniture. Using their furniture helps keep the budget down, she explains. Plus, the sellers feel good living with their own pieces rather than rental furniture. Part of retaining the seller's identity and connection to the home included keeping most of the paint colors. Maynard did not need to erase their personality. One of the colors that stayed was the vibrant orange accent wall in their daughter's bedroom. The bedroom reads as a rectangular exercise in color blocking, thanks to the orange wall and the hot pink rug. Because it was being lived in as a child's room, it was also a lively space full of trinkets and treasures. But for the purposes of staging, Maynard had to strike the right balance between allowing the family's personality to remain while living in the unit, yet also creating enough white space for a new family to envision themselves in the home. Because of the long and narrow layout of the room, Maynard had limited furniture layout options. I pretty much kept the layout like they had it, but I edited a lot out of the space, she explains. The bed and dressers remained, while a whimsical tent had to be removed to create a better flow for buyers as they viewed the bedroom. All white furniture helped draw attention to the bold color choices while not letting them overwhelm the small space. Maynard echoed the hot pink and orange in her soft goods and textiles. She selected a colorful floral comforter and accented it with printed sheets. Then she brightened the window up by choosing white drapery with vibrant pom-pom trim, which still allowed light to filter in. A pink accent pillow, unicorn plush toy, and floor poof helped add more warmth and texture to the space. Because a move can be hard for anyone, especially a child, Maynard made a special effort to help the daughter feel seen within the space. I went to IKEA, bought the largest white frames, and framed the daughter's art. The little girl was really happy to have her art remain on the wall, and it was ready to take with them to the new house when this one sold. Buckman reports the Brooklyn apartment went under contract in 23 days. And for those looking to bring the idea of editing furniture into their own home, Maynard says, "Almost every home I go into is too cramped with furniture. It is out of scale for the space or not well placed in the room. I suggest people look objectively at their furniture and question whether it is making a room look small. Pare down the decorative items you have placed on dressers and desks. Focus on the editing.